The cigarette lighter socket adapter cable that connects directly to 12-volt DC batteries with a cigarette lighter at the other end. Used to plug in a variety of vehicle electronics, such as inverters, car oxygen bar, car air pump. Clamps directly to battery, ideal for any device that needs a 12V cigarette plug. It has the color-coded alligator clips that attach to the two terminals on your battery for instant power for your 12 volts accessories that require a cigarette-style outlet. Can be used for car refrigerator, air high-power inverter, and so on. High-quality alloy, durable in use, good electrical conductivity, hold tightly. Important note: positive connects red color clip, negative connects black color clip.